Jack, an adventurous boy, was always curious about old things. One day, while rummaging through his grandfather's workshop, he found a peculiar watch. It didn't look like any ordinary watch. It had strange symbols and a glowing button. "What's this?" Jack wondered, putting it on. As soon as he pressed the glowing button, the room around him swirled, and before he knew it, Jack was no longer in his grandfather's workshop. He had traveled back in time. Jack found himself in the middle of an ancient forest, with tall trees and strange, colorful birds flying overhead. He noticed people nearby, wearing robes and holding scrolls, discussing important things. He realized he was in the middle of a village from centuries ago. A curious villager noticed Jack and asked, "You don't look like you're from here. Where did you come from?" Jack, amazed by what he saw, explained, "I think I've traveled through time with this watch." The villager smiled. "In our village, knowledge of the past helps us shape the future. Maybe this watch has brought you here to learn something important." As Jack explored the village, he learned about ancient tools, how people used nature to survive, and how they worked together as a community. He helped them plant seeds, make simple machines, and even solve problems using math. After a day full of learning, Jack pressed the button on his watch again, and in a flash, he was back in his grandfather's workshop. But this time, he wasn't just a boy with a curious mind. He had new knowledge from the past and a deeper appreciation for the world. Jack realized that sometimes the best adventures aren't about far-off places but about learning from the past to make the future brighter. Moral of the story: learning from history can help us make better decisions today and in the future.